Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over a couple of lead sources where you can generate up to 5 to 10 leads per day to keep your online business going and generating some income. Now the first lead source I'm going to go over is a lead source called leadsleap .com, and it's leadsleap, and then we're going to show you how you could generate leads. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and show you some proof that this does work, and these are real buyers that do opt in, and you get signups from these. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is show you how you get sales off of these. All right, so we're going to go to the pro ads first, and I do recommend upgrading to pro. You could get up to 10 slots of ads as well, and instead of it being, I believe it's 5 for free members where you could post your business. All right, so I have a total of 5 to 10 ads up. Past 7 days I had 314 visitors, and total visits 14,388. So you're gonna start with add a new ad. Okay, and then you're gonna put your URL. You have to put a catchy title here. You're gonna put ad text, a relevant image, and then the category, and then an optional link to your social review. All right, and here's one of my businesses I'm promoting, list leverage. All right, and so they gave it a 4 out of 5. Okay, and I generated this image. I didn't download it from from online. I actually created this image in Canva, and I'll show you that in a later video. Okay, and here's another ad I got up here with the same business. All right, and then I have another system here that I'm promoting, Jarvis. All right, that's getting 838 visitors, 829 visitors on the second ad. Right now I'm gonna go over to my results. So let's see, we can go to page manager, and so that's another thing leadsleap does. They do track where your traffic is coming from. Okay, so we're gonna go to 24/7 level up program that I'm promoting, and we're gonna track it. Okay, we're gonna see some results. Right, herculist, which is another lead source I'm going to show you. I got one opt-in there, so I believe they did go ahead and update this. Let me see here. Go down. Actually, we're gonna go to this one here. Okay, now Hercules, I got 7 opt-ins, and then leadsleap. As you can see, I got 9 opt-ins here. I'm also promoting this on YouTube, which got me 4 opt-ins, and I have gotten sales, which I with this from this free traffic source here. Let me go ahead and show you that right there. So I got 3 customers, and that's all from leadsleap and free traffic, and then $53 coming in. Okay, and I haven't been promoting this that long. All right, and I'm going to show you more proof here. So we're going to go to financial, my earnings, and I already got a couple people under me, again from mostly free traffic. All right, now my other traffic source I'm going to show you is herculist. Okay, so there's different types of ads you could get on here. Let me go ahead and log in. All right, let's see here. It's loading up right now. So there's Prime ads, the zone, social specials, but I'm just gonna skip all that. I'm just gonna go to the members area. I do recommend watching this new video tutorial. All right, and I do recommend you upgrading to a gold member. That way you could send over 100. I believe it's hundreds of thousands of on the emailer list per day. And then you could also do Hercules Prime ads, and then you could do solo ads as well. I have gotten leads and sales off of solo ads from Hercules also. All right, now I'm gonna go over to what we call webtalk. It's a new social media platform that I'm also promoting free traffic on, and I'll show you some results on that just by promoting webtalk by itself. And it's completely free to join, and you could earn $5 just for signing up. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go into my dashboard. I got signed up 11 members today. Not today, I'm sorry, over the past month. And then my pending payout is $130. So I am making some money off of that as well too. And those are my traffic sources. Now, if you are interested in joining, just go ahead and click the link below. I do have a new website that has all three of the mentioned list below. You can just click on that and the funnel, and you could join all the programs or one if you want to for free. All right, thank you for viewing my channel and have a good one.